sorry. It wasn't supposed to be like that. A Circle Line boat tour around Manhattan at sunset is usually one of the most romantic things in New York. Oh, God, I wanted this evening to be so special.
Please stop apologizing. How many people can say that they have actually seen a body floating in the East River? That was very special.
You saying you still have an appetite?
Oh, yeah. God, I can't believe you got a reservation at Mr. Chang's. It's the hottest restaurant in town.
Well, you know, I know some people. I pulled a few strings. I don't think you realize how well connected I am in this town.
Good evening and welcome to Mr. Chang's. May I help you?
Yeah, we have a reservation. Jack Stein?
I'm sorry, sir. I don't see your reservation.
That's impossible. I called today. 2 people, 7:30.
Oh, yes, here it is. Jack Spine.
No!
Right this way, Mr. Spine.
Jack, it's all right. Come on. This is our night. We're gonna have a fantastic dinner.
That's right.
Here we go. Table 9 for Mr. Spine. Enjoy your meal.
Okay, so it's not the best table in the restaurant, but it doesn't matter, because we're together, right?
That's right.
Did I tell you tonight how terrific you look?
Yeah, you have, but I don't mind hearing it again.
Geez, this is amazing, isn't it? I mean, we're finally gonna take a shot at this thing. Is it all right if I hold your hand?
I'd love you to hold my hand, Mr. Spine.
Oh, for God's sakes!
Hello, how are you? Welcome to Mr. Chang's. Everything tonight, very, very good.
Oh, well, that's great, because this is a very special evening for us, and we're very hungry.
Oh, what a wonderful menu. This is gonna be fun choosing from all of this.
Okay, you ready?
What, you want to take our drink orders now?
Okay, I take that too.
No, we're not ready to order yet. We just sat down.
Okay, but you want to have time to eat. You gotta be out of here by 8:30.
What?
We squeeze you in. We have next reservation at 8:30 for this table.
8:30? Nobody told me that when I made this reservation.
Jack, it's not worth getting upset over. I mean, come on, think about it. Do you really want to spend the whole night in this restaurant?
Not when I'm sitting at this table looking at you in a dress like that.
You start with soup, huh? It already made.
We're not ready to order yet.
阿頂啊，嗰啲嘅卡吧，咪就個光木嘅㗎。
Okay, maybe we should just look at these menus, huh?
I think that's a good idea. We're sharing, right?
Oh, of course.
Ooh, listen to this. The Devil's Jewels. Shrimp and scallops sauteed in a sizzling garlic pepper sauce.
Dana, there's a picture of a little fire extinguisher next to it.
Yeah, that just means it's got some flavor to it. You like spicy food, don't you?
Well, it's those little red peppers. You know, the CIA tried to assassinate Castro with one of those.
Those peppers are like an aphrodisiac to me.
Well, then order it. I want you to have what you like. Yeah, I'll find something. I'll get 2 of those.
Okay, ready for order now? Not much time, huh? Tick tock, tick tock.
All right, look. Let me ask you a question. This Devil's Jewels, how spicy is that really?
Not too hot.
But it's hot.
Not too hot.
But you're saying it's hot.
Not too hot. Not too hot.
Because I like hot.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot as hell.
Okay, whatever. We'll have that and some fried rice.
Yeah, and bird's nest soup for 2.
Also the sliced duck and plum sauce.
Ooh, lot of food. Hope you can eat fast.
That's it. Where is the maitre d'?
No, come on, Jack. No, please don't get into an argument with the maitre d'. It'll just take up our time. Come on, I'll tell you. I'm going to switch chairs.
Dana.
I'm fine in that chair, really. It doesn't bother me at all to be in that chair. Come on, you'll see. I'm just going to pull a chair up here a little closer, you see?
Yeah.
I'm little. Fit right in here.
Okay.
Jack. Jack. They just hit us in the head with a mallet. Oh. Waiter, excuse me. Waiter,
Dana,
please. I'd like to talk to Mr. Chang.
Mr. Chang? There's no Mr. Chang. We make that up.
Of course.
I bet you think they're Mr. Coffee, too, huh?
I get the point.
All right, look, could you give us the menu again, please? We would like to order some wine, all right?
Okay, but not much time. Earth not turning any slower, huh?
Dana, choose a wine, anything. Come on.
Okay. Let's see which bottle comes with an IV.
Do you have any idea how sexy a sense of humor is?
Why, thank you, Jack. You know, I can't believe these popular restaurants can get away without taking credit cards. You know, you think it really hurt business.
What do you mean no credit cards? What do you mean?
Well, it says right here we don't accept credit cards, cash only.
Are you kidding? I was going to pay with a credit card. I meant to stop at my cash machine on my way to pick you up, but there wasn't any time. What do you have in your purse?
$5 and a lipstick.
$5? You left the house with just $5? What if there's an emergency?
That's why I have the lipstick.
You have no idea how to live in this city.
Jack, this isn't my fault.
All right, I know. I'm sorry. You know, I just wanted this night to be so perfect.
You are so adorable tonight. You know, your eyes are just perfectly spaced. Have they always been like that?
You know, there's a bank with a cash machine right around the corner. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
No, oh, no. You'll have to take that food back into the kitchen, keep it warm. My friend had to go to his cash machine.
Maybe I should just put in takeout container right now, huh? Save time.
No, he'll be right back.
Kích lấy nghề của cái hũ á. You...
No, you cannot take the lids. The food will get cold.
But food's been here 20 minutes already. We need lids. We don't have enough lids for everyone. You hoarding lids.
What?
Lid. We take lid off your food, put on other food.
Listen, you. These lids are ours. We've paid for them, and we're going to keep them until 8:30. You got that?
Sorry, lady. Time running out. Oh, look. Here he comes.
Jack, where the hell have you been? What, you get robbed or something?
Yes.
What?
Dana, they got everything.
Oh, my God. Did they hurt you?
No, they got what they wanted. They got my wallet, my cash, my credit cards, everything. I'm wiped out. I heard one of them mention a back-to-school sale at Bloomingdale's, and then he ran off.
I don't believe this. What are we gonna do? We've ordered a ton of food. I drank a half a bottle of wine. Oh dear, excuse me, sir.
You're still here?
Sir, the most unfortunate thing has just happened. My friend here has been robbed at the automatic teller machine, and we have no way to pay you. You see, now I run a restaurant, and whenever something like this happens to us, we just trust the customer to come back the next day and pay in full, which they always do. So we're hoping that you're going to trust us to come back and do the same. Because, I mean, really, you know, when you think about it, aren't we all just guests at God's table?
Take the food away.
This is the worst restaurant I have ever been to in my life.
Willie, come on.
They say they don't use MSG, but they do. They lie, they shove it in.
Let's go quietly. Come on.
Hang on to your lids, people. You paid for them. You keep them.
Almost out of here now.
Come on, Dana. This now concludes the exotic restaurant portion of our evening.
Jack?
Oh. Hi there. Well, I just want you to know that this is the first for me, Dr. Weiss. I've never been to a therapist before. Never had the need. Actually, I have no particular need now. Just Dana and I said, hey, therapy, that sounds like fun. You know, you're okay, I'm okay. Although, you know, I've always wondered, you know, why would you pay somebody $175 to tell you that you're just okay? I mean, come on, for these prices, you should be telling me that I'm great, huh? I'm babbling here, right?
Don't worry about it, Jack. It's perfectly normal.
See that? I'm normal. You're good. Very good. Although I did think that Dana and I would be coming here together. I mean, this is called couples therapy.
Yeah, but I think it's very important to see each person individually first. So why don't you sit down and we'll start.
Okay.
So, why don't you tell me why you and Dana felt it was important to seek therapy?
No reason at all. We're fine. Everything's fine.
Interesting.
Sure, you know, it was her idea, not me. I mean, she's scared, I think.
Oh, and you're not?
No, me? No, not scared. Not me, no.
Good.
What is that supposed to mean?
Nothing. Nobody likes to be scared, that's all I'm saying.
All right, I'm a little scared. Man, you're brutal. I mean, I'm getting buried next month. I mean, who wouldn't be a little scared?
What did you say?
I'm about to get married.
No, I think you said buried.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. And it's understandable. You and Dana are about to take a very big step, but I think it's important to face the feelings that are causing you enough anxiety to seek help. And judging from the fact that you keep checking your watch, you really want to get your money's worth out of each minute you're here. So, anytime you're ready.
Okay.
And by the way, it comes out to $3.50 a minute.
Believe me, I figured that out before I came. All right, there is one thing I want to get off my chest. Dana's very stubborn, like about this whole name thing. She won't take my name, and it's a good name. There have been some very famous Steins in the world. Gertrude. Not that she's actually a relative, but no one needs to know that.
All right, so you're upset about the name issue.
Not when I'm pretending to be modern. But I mean, what guy, when he's with another guy, buys into all that? Am I right?
Well, I'm not here to judge.
Yeah, but you agree. It's tradition. Look, I'm getting buried, for God's sakes.
Is there anything else?
That's it. So, Dana wants this big fancy wedding, right? You know, lots of guests. Now, I know it means more presents, which is good. But I was thinking more along the lines of something quick. You know, a couple of I do's and then it's over.
I mean like a flu shot.
There you go. Now we get to the religion question, right? I mean, look, it's important to me. I have to know how my kids are going to be raised. Look, I want them to be raised Jewish. I mean, there are not many of us in the world today. I don't want to forget who they are and where they came from.
Yeah, well, Jack...
Can I take my shoes off here? So, I got my shredded wheat, good and soggy, just like I like it. So, I go back to the stove to get another cup of coffee. Now, I'm heading back to the table, and Dana, on her own now, decides, it's disgusting. That's a quote. And she tosses it. Hey, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to start all over again. This is an issue of respect. Am I right? Am I right? Hey, it's my razor. It's not meant for legs. Hey, you know, it says so right in a little booklet. Did you wait?
Let me earn my money.
Oh. Sure.
Now, you seem very comfortable talking about Dana and her problems, but you haven't really said anything about yourself.
Really? Well, I'm not trying to hide anything, if that's what you mean.
No, I didn't think you were, but the fact is, difficulties in relationships usually involve both people.
Fair enough. All right. Let's see. I mean, I'm not perfect. Occasionally, I interrupt during a conversation. I'm very concerned with my dental health. I lay them in Dana sometimes, and that's wrong. I don't throw my socks in the hamper at night. I wait until the morning. What else? When Dana and I were dating about 3 months, I had an affair, and in the morning when I open my paper, I fold.
Can we go back a second?
The socks.
No, I was actually more intrigued by the affair. Does she know?
No. Oh, no, look, it was no big deal. It was just one night, one crazy night.
Maybe this is why you've been focusing on Dana, to avoid dealing with your own feelings about lying to her.
Now, wait a minute. I didn't lie. I just didn't tell her about it. Look, we weren't even living together at the time. We had this big fight, and I ran out, and I ran into this old girlfriend, and, it just kind of happened,
Well, how do you feel about that?
Well, just so you know, I didn't enjoy it. Well, I mean, I enjoyed the exact moment, but not afterwards, 9:42 good, 9:43 bad.
And why do you think you did this?
I don't know. I was getting into a serious relationship for only the second time in my life, and I just went a little nuts. It's no big deal, right?
It isn't?
All right, I feel terrible. Terrible. There's not a day that doesn't go by that I don't think about that night, and I just feel like a creep. Okay? So now what do I do?
I'm afraid that's all the time we have for today.
How's it going there, Dr. Weiss?
I brought you a little something. It's a roast turkey. Free range.
I tried to tell her it was ridiculous.
Oh, honey, just be quiet and give him the cranberry sauce.
Here you go. Yeah, I helped make it. I put the nuts in.
Well, I'll be having quite some lunch, won't I? Are you ready to begin?
Oh, yes, sirree.
Yes.
Great.
Well, there comes a time when every relationship needs to be tested, so what do you say we get right to it? Jack, Why don't you tell Dana what you told me?
Well, all right. Last July, that Saturday that we had that huge fight, I ran out and I ran into this woman that I used to know. I slept with her.
Oh, my God.
I'm sorry.
Oh, my God.
It was a completely nothing thing. I mean, look, I hated myself afterwards. I didn't even spend the night. I mean, I wanted to go home and wait by the phone for you to call because I really missed you.
You know, I had chances, Jack. But I never followed through with them. I mean, I know we weren't engaged or anything. But I thought I could trust you.
Look, Dana, deep down inside, I just figured that you and I were going to be together forever. And when that word forever went through my mind, I saw myself in 40 years with my pants hiked up around my neck complaining about my colon. And I went a little nuts.
This is why I never let myself care this much before.
Dana, please. Look, I don't want you to think that you can't ever trust me again. You know why it was only once? Because she wasn't you. And I realized that no one else would ever be either. I love you so much.
Dana, do you believe in forgiveness?
No.
Are you sure? For our line?
You do seem sincere. And, I mean, the part about you'll never find anybody else like me was right. I guess forgiveness is a good thing. Jack, I forgive you.
You do? Wow, that is great, honey.
Okay, let's go.
Wait a minute, Dana. Wait a minute. I think it's time for you to tell Jack what you've been keeping from him.
Oh.
Right now?
Oh, come on, honey. For God's sakes, I just told you I cheated on you, you know? Whenever you're hot, it can't be that big.
That was really terrible. Well, it's not that bad. My uncle was in the SS.
Come on. No, I mean, really, what is it? Come on.
That was it.
Wait a minute. SS, like in...
Nazis.
Oh, my God, Dana, you had an uncle who was a Nazi? I'm a Jew.
I'm not a Nazi, Jack. I mean, it was my father's sister's husband. I mean, every family has a black sheep.
Yes, I know. My Aunt Mimi was the black sheep in our family. She never married. But I don't think she's wanted at Nuremberg for it.
Oh, come on, Jack. Is that fair? I mean, it's not like I got to choose my relatives.
Besides, she thinks he was in the band.
Punish me for my aunt's really bad taste in husbands. I know it's shocking. I know it is. But it would be insane to let something like this tear us apart. For God's sake, I just forgave you for cheating on me.
Okay. Oh, God, I'm sorry. I'm overreacting. Yeah, look, it's stupid to get crazy over some guy who's been dead for years.
Well, actually, he's alive. He lives in Argentina. It's not like anybody in the family keeps in touch with him. I mean, I don't think anybody even knows what he looks like anymore. He's had so much plastic surgery. Come on, Jack. Come on, I mean, don't let this tear us apart. Just let's put this behind us. I mean, if we can get over stuff like this, I mean... maybe we can make it for the long haul.
Very well put. You see, now maybe you see the point of this exercise. I mean, you've looked the demon in the eye, and how do you feel? Do you still love each other?
I do.
I do.
Good. Very good. Now we can explore some of the hidden fears you might have about commitment.
You know, that sounds really, really interesting, and I'm sure it's very painful, but you know what? We've got to go.
But you're in the middle of a therapy session.
Yes, we feel terrible about that, but, we have to go to the movie. We have promised ourselves that we are going to catch up on all the movies that we've missed, and if we start breaking promises to ourselves now, I mean, what kind of marriage are we going to have?
Enjoy the turkey. $3.50 for 45 minutes. Make sure you keep it covered. You know what, honey? I've been thinking, and I will take your name.
No kidding, really?
Sure. After the wedding, you can call me Jack.